Here's how to install the Facebook app on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and running an updated version of iOS. Unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom, type Facebook in the search bar, and press Search. Look for the official Facebook app. The developer should be Meta Platforms, Inc. This helps you avoid fake or copy apps. Tap Get or the download icon. Confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch Facebook. Log in with your email or phone number, or create a new account to start using Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully installed Facebook on your iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone and app tutorials.